This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
After the vehicle has been driven to warm up the fluid, apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the front wheels. Move the necessary equipment under the vehicle, being careful not to touch any of the hot engine or exhaust components. With the drain pan in place, remove the transaxle drain plug. Be sure the drain pan is in position, as fluid will come out with some force. Once the fluid has drained completely, clean the drain plug and drain plug opening, then reinstall the plug securely. Install the front wheels and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground. Then, tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. With the engine turned off, pull out the dipstick, then add new fluid to the transaxle through the dipstick tube. Use a funnel to prevent spills. It is best to add a little fluid at a time, continually checking the level with the dipstick. The fluid should enter the cross-hatched area on the dipstick, between the upper and lower marks. With the parking brake applied and foot on the brake, start the engine and slowly shift the gear selector lever into all the positions, beginning and ending in park. Turn off the engine, then check the fluid level again. Add fluid to bring the level back into the cross-hatched area. Reinsert the transaxle dipstick.